A day in the life of a Filipina na palamunin ng asawang afam.
Hello mga guwams! So, last day na namin ngayon dito sa sa Bohol. And today ay pupunta kami sa floating restaurant mga guwams. Tapos maglibot 1 hour sa sa river ba yun? Tama ba? Pero basta yun na yun. And yeah, try namin. And tapos na kami sa nakita na namin yung tarsier. Tapos pumunta na din kami sa Chocolate Hills sa tulong ng aking kaibigan si Chris, kasi andito din sila mga guwaps. So ayan, medyo hindi kami nahirapan kasi malapit lang din sa kanila yung Chocolate Hills. Tapos yung tarsier, kakilala nila yung may-ari, yung nag-alaga doon. So ayan, tapos na kami kasi yung plano talaga namin ni Bana, pumunta kami dito sa Bohol and gusto namin makita yung tarsier, at saka gusto ko din pumunta sa Chocolate Hills. And nakita din namin yung floating restaurant sa YouTube nung nanood kami. And sabi ko, gusto ko din doon na-experience. Kaya yan. Let's go. Tara, let's get ready with me lang tayo. And let's go. Here na.
This is your party number, sir.
Okay. Yeah, kadat dun.
Boarding na po.
Salamat.
Gate 4, ma'am. Right side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Gate 4. Oh? Okay. Tara. Tara na mga gops. Sa gate 4 kami. Gate 4. Oh. Come on. Both are in A1. This is A4. Sa pikas.
Pangalawa po.
Darno. Dar the under boat.
What's your name?
Thank you. Okay.
Yes. I do.
Thank you.
Ang resibo na ni book. Seller. Oh, yes, you bought your book. Here is it there?
Here?
Yeah, it's fine.
Later?
Voor deze te bouwen. Die andere is andere prijs.
It's immaculate.
The floating river.
Yeah.
Floating restaurant.
Caldereta, shrimp, barbecue, and
This is Bohol, our pride Bohol. Welcome visitors, welcome to Bohol.
Samantha. Oh my.
So here also we have 10 Burmese python. So they're both alive. So same species with Samantha, Burmese python. If you want to touch them, sir, it's okay to touch. Because they don't have eyelids. Kamu ma'am, family picture.
Oh, picture na nga.
Ma'am, Tagalog ko ma'am, Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Bisaya. Yeah.
Hello, Managwap! So welcome to Ecaths vlog. Today we will only go swim, and that's it.
Yes, that's it. So we've been to the floating restaurant, and then we went to the butterfly park in Loboc, and she touched the snake. And we also feed the birds and also the monkeys, and then
The peacock,
the peacock, and then
crocodile,
the crocodile, we saw it. The crocodile, the lay, maluoy ka lay. Ayaw pagkuanlay. Ay, maluoy ka lay. Yun, si lalay. Hindi yun si lalay, pero yung lalay, crocodile. And now, we will go swimming. Pero, hindi na ako mag-video kasi mag-swimming lang naman kami. Kaya mag-enjoy lang kami mag-swimming. And, na-try din namin ni Chloe Tinikling! That is her first time. And, it's also my first time to dance with the bamboo. So, pero I know how to tinikling from the Chinese garter. Yan, mag 10-20, di ba 10-20? May tinikling din yung 10-20. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganyan. So, ayan, nagka-tinikling kami ni Chloe. And, yeah, we enjoyed it. So, bye for now. See you later. Maligo mo sa amin. We go swimming.
yeah.
Ando, paano nga yung tinikling mo?
Coming.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ting, ting, ting. Ting, 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 ting. Kamu, tinikling yan. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.